In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application on your device. If you're using a web browser instead, go ahead and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, sign into your account with your credentials, which typically includes your email and password. Next, take a moment to locate the list of your groups. You'll find this on the left side of the main interface. It's displayed in a sidebar where all your teams and groups are organized, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Now, look through the list and identify the specific group name that you wish to remove from your account. Make sure you're selecting the correct group, as deleting it will remove it permanently, along with all its associated data, such as chat history and files. Once you've found the right group, move your cursor over the group name. As you do this, you should see a small 3 dots icon appear next to it. This icon represents more options, and clicking on it will give you access to various actions you can take with that group. Click on the 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will open up with several options for you to choose from. Here, you'll want to find and carefully select the Delete option, which is typically located at the bottom of the menu. It's important to take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the Delete option, as this action is irreversible. After selecting this option, you'll see a confirmation prompt pop up on your screen. This prompt is there to ensure that you really want to go through with deleting the group and understand that all associated data will also be removed. Take a moment to read this prompt carefully before proceeding. When you're ready, click the Final Confirmation button, and that will permanently delete the group and its entire history from your Microsoft Teams account. And there you have it. That's how you delete a group in Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process, but one that should be handled with care since you can't recover the group once it's deleted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now feel more confident in managing your groups within Microsoft Teams. For more tips and guides like this, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future content. Thank you for watching, and happy teamwork!